desire to shrink their fibroids without surgery, enhance their fertility, and get pregnant naturally. Product description: Women Relief Kits is formulated to regulate excess estrogen levels, which is the major cause of fibroids, shrink fibroids naturally without surgery, and help women trying to conceive to get pregnant naturally. Product benefits: Women Relief Kits helps to detoxify the systems by removing unwanted toxins from the body systems. It improves digestive health and prevents intestinal gas and bloated stomach. It helps in regulating excess estrogen, which is a major cause of fibroids. It helps relax uterine cramping and regulate your menses. It prevents the growth of tumors and helps to shrink fibroids, making the size of your fibroids smaller and smaller until it's eliminated. It balances your progesterone levels and helps control heavy bleeding and excessive periods. It helps alleviate uncomfortable symptoms associated with fibroids, such as premenstrual symptoms, abdominal bloating, swelling, headaches, and mood swings. It supports women experiencing heavy periods and a decrease in the number of red blood cells due to fibroids by helping to build up their red blood cells. It assists women of all ages to shrink fibroids naturally without surgery. You can order Women Relief Kits now to shrink fibroids, restore your fertility, and get pregnant naturally.
Oh,